I ordered food from Tony's on Murfreesboro Road. Let's talk about it. First, as the DoorDasher arrived, it smelled quite lovely. We will see what it tastes like. This is what it looks like as I sit in my bed. My wife took the kids to go rock and roll sushi, so I had to fend for myself tonight. We will see. And we will judge it by 10 out of 10. Mmm, this is quite lovely. I taste the shrimp, the rice, the cheese, the steak, and the chicken. This is a 10 out of 10. They also included some kind of chips and salsa. We will see what they are like. The salsa looks like good consistency. We will see what it tastes like. The salsa is quite hot. Tastes like the devil's spit. I am quite old, so I cannot take spicy shit. This was, oh, goddamn. It's hot. It's a 10 out of 10 of hot. Overall, the food is quite tasty. For my first time, I will be back. I give it 10 out of 10.